Did you know Australia once declared war on birds? In 1932, the country faced a most unexpected enemy, the emus. In Western Australia, these large, flightless birds invaded farmlands, trampling crops and threatening local agriculture. The situation became so serious that the military stepped in, sending soldiers armed with machine guns to confront the emus. But the emus proved to be elusive opponents. They dodged bullets, scattered in all directions, and often simply outran the soldiers. Despite the military's best efforts, the operation was deemed a failure, and the emus effectively emerged victorious. Join us as we dive into this quirky chapter of history where birds outwitted human warfare tactics.